Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of grayed out on the application of DeepSeek. You will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page of apps, you will search about the application of DeepSeek and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will wait a moment to restart your phone, or turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us.